हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई एम मलिक फ़ारूक। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है क्लास 11th के लिए वो है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया यानी सेल ऑर्गेनेल, द यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। माइटोस मीन्स थ्रेड, कॉन्ड्रियन मीन्स ग्रेन, बिंडा मीन it has been discovered by the Binda in 1897. Mitose means thread and chondrion means grain thread. Mitos, it's a Greek word. Mitochondria singular means mitochondrion. Mitochondria or mitochondrion are chondrosomes or the largest cell organelles of aerobic eukaryotes, which are centers of Krebs cycle and oxidative phosphorylation. In aerobic respiration, the major part of energy is released by mitochondria. Mitochondria are therefore also called powerhouse of the cell. They were discovered by the Koegler in 1850 to 1880 as granules in the muscle cells. Then Fleming in 1882 and Altman in 1886 also studied and gave different names to them. Binda in 1897 standard them with alzarine and crystal violet. He coined the term mitochondria. Michaelis in 1898, with the help of Jeans Greenby, found that mitochondria produced a color in redox dye, green blue in Jeans green, while the dye remained in the colored state in the surrounding cytoplasm. Cansbury in 1912 first of all called them centers of aerobic respiration. Warburg in 1930 discovered respiratory enzyme in them. Due to their size and sustainability, mitochondria are visible under optic microscope, but their detailed structure could be known only with the help of electron microscope. Distribution. With the help of cytoplasm streaming, mitochondria move about in cytoplasm. They are uniformly distributed in unspecialized cells. Mitochondria tend to collect in the regions of energy and amino acids, utilization, base of cilia and flagella, absorptive surface, secretory surface around axial filament of middle piece in sperm, in between contractile elements of muscle cells, around spindle and dividing cells, inner segment of rod and cone cells. The orientation of mitochondria is parallel to the longitudinal axis in cosmal cells. In leukocytes, they occur radially around the central part. Now, mitochondria are absent in prokaryotes and anaerobic eukaryotes. They are secondary lost in red blood corpuscle cells. Now, number. A single mitochondrion occurs in primitive eukaryotes, for example, Chlorophylla, microosteals, micromass, trypanosoma 20 to 24, mitochondria occur in sperms, 300 to 400 in kidney cells, 500 to 1000 in liver cells, 50,000 in giant amoeba, cos, 14,000 to 15,000 in eggs of cilia urchin, 300,000 in oocytes and of some amphibians, and 500,000 in the flight muscle cells. Green plant cells having chloroplast often contain lesser number of mitochondria as compared to non-green plant cells, and animal cells. Dormant and inactive cells possess fewer mitochondria. Size. In animal cells, mitochondria are the second largest cell organelle. In animal cells, mitochondria are the second largest cell organelle. In plant cells, they have the third largest size. Commonly, mitochondria are 1.0 to 4.1 mu in length and 0.2 to 1 mu in diameter. Large mitochondria are of 10 mu in length, occur in pancreatic cells. The oocytes of Rana pepiens possesses 20 to 24 mu long mitochondria. Shape. The common shape is cylindrical or sausage tubular. It is spherical in east. Other forms are filamentous, cup-shaped, racket-shaped, or vascular. Mitochondria is tubular and branched in the choroid. Now, chemical composition. Proteins, they contain 60 to 70%, lipids 25 to 35%, RNA 5 to 7%, DNA small amount, mineral traces more than 60 enzymes have been identified. Enzymes of Krebs cycle, electron transport, oxidative phosphorylation, fatty acyl synthetases, fatty acids, oxidase, amino acid dehydrogenases and transferase. उसके बाद इसका अल्ट्रास्ट्रक्चर आएगा. Thank you for watching. Or in the next lecture we will deal with the ultrastructure of mitochondria.